I would like to talk about some broad aspect of mediation. I think human history has recorded three modes of resolution of disputes: violence, court judgments, and the third one is mediation. The first two relates to force force judgments. Violence is force, court judgments are force, mediation is voluntary. So I think it is a democratic way for whole of the society to talk to each other. So violence has provided us First World War, Second World War, invention of atomic weapons, etc. So court adjudication has not yet decided issues of parties, issues of companies, issues of associations of individuals, etc., even companies. So mediation is most democratic way. It would prevail sense even between the rival societies, between religions, for a future peacekeeping society for entire world. So on grassroots level, it has a very good effect. Litigation is not going anywhere. We should first, in every case, we used to write that we had approached defendant, complain and involved notables, but nothing, my grievance not redressed, so I am filing this lawsuit. So I think litigation should be last option, not first option. This session has changed my view to some extent to ADR. Earlier I was hostile, now I am neutral.
And overall, the body Federal Academy. You have broken the barriers. First time from Balochistan coming to FJA as a trainee. How did you find overall your experience?
It is my first opportunity to attend session at Federal Judicial Academy. So, Director Sahab, a very nice person, Jahan Zeb, beauty of world, very sincere staff, very sincere services. So I am very impressed. I will take this message to my province as your ambassador, and through this session, both are ambassadors from Singapore. We have, to some extent, we have visited Singapore through both of them. So I'm very impressed, all of you, all of your sincere behavior, attitude, respect. You have respected all of us very sincerely. I'm thankful, I appreciate it. So I think I have nothing more to say.
Thank you.